everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create an NYC Reads 365 challenge on Biblionasium. So if you've already logged in, you've probably seen your Biblionasium homepage. If you go down here on the side panel to NYC Reads 365, you'll see your NYC Reads list laid out just like it is on your website with all the different grade levels, all the different categories. You can select a category, or you can also view all books. This is how you translate your NYC Reads books to challenges. Select challenges, and then start a new challenge. You can select all groups, or you can select an individual group. Next, you'll want to name the challenge. Then, under Categories, select Create a Challenge based on reading a minimum number of books from a list. You can enter the minimum number of books required, say 3. Click Add. And then your NYC Reads 365 tab will show up down here. Once again, you'll see all your grade levels and your categories. For this one, we'll select fiction. You can either click the green plus sign or you can just click the book cover to add it. If you scroll back up here, you can remove books as needed. You can select a deadline for the challenge, or you can leave it blank if there's no end date. Click Save, and then your challenge will appear underneath your Challenges tab. I hope this was helpful for you. If you need assistance, you can reach us at contact@biblionasium.com. Thank you.